Question 1. What is the primary concept behind structured programming? Option A. Organizing code into functions and modules. Option B. Writing code without following any specific patterns. Option C. Debugging complex programs. Option D. Compiling code into executable files. Option E. Optimizing code for performance. Correct answer. Option A. Organizing code into functions and modules. Question 2. Which of the following is a characteristic of modular programming? Option A. Using global variables extensively. Option B. Breaking down programs into smaller, reusable parts. Option C. Writing code in a single large function. Option D. Avoiding the use of functions. Option E. Using go-to statements frequently. Correct answer. Option B. Breaking down programs into smaller, reusable parts. Question 3. In structured programming, which of the following is used to control the flow of the program? Option A. Functions and modules. Option B. If-else, loops, and switch statements. Option C. File I/O operations. Option D. Error handling routines. Option E. Memory management functions. Correct answer. Option B. If-else, loops, and switch statements. Question 4. Which programming paradigm encourages the use of modular design? Option A. Procedural programming. Option B. Structured programming. Option C. Object-oriented programming. Option D. All of the above. Option E. None of the above. Correct answer. Option D. All of the above. Question 5. Why is modular programming considered beneficial? Option A. It reduces the readability of code. Option B. It allows faster execution. Option C. It increases code reusability and maintainability. Option D. Prevents errors in large programs. Option E. It eliminates the need for testing. Correct answer. Option C. It increases code reusability and maintainability. Question 6. Which of the following statements about functions in structured programming is true? Option A. Functions are always defined globally. Option B. Functions cannot take input arguments. Option C. Functions help in dividing a program into manageable sections. Option D. Functions can only return integers. Option E. Functions should contain as much code as possible. Correct answer. Option C. Functions help in dividing a program into manageable sections. Question 7. What is the main advantage of using local variables in functions? Option A. Local variables take less memory. Option B. Local variables make the program more secure. Option C. Local variables help in avoiding conflicts with other variables in the program. Option D. Local variables can be accessed anywhere in the program. Option E. Local variables are faster than global variables. Correct answer, option C. Local variables help in avoiding conflicts with other variables in the program. Question 8. In structured programming, which of the following is used to prevent code duplication? Option A. Arrays. Option B. Functions and loops. Option C. Global variables. Option D. Macros. Option E. Classes. Correct answer, option B. Functions and loops. Question 9. Which of the following is not a feature of modular programming? Option A. High code readability. Option B. Increased debugging complexity. Option C. Easier code maintenance. Option D. Ability to reuse code. Option E. Breaking down a large program into smaller functions. Correct answer, option B. Increased debugging complexity. Question 10. How does structured programming improve program testing? Option A. By using only one function. Option B. By separating program logic into modules and functions. Option C. By combining all code into a single block. Option D. By using global variables exclusively. Option E. By optimizing the program for speed. Correct answer, option B. By separating program logic into modules and functions.